Hire remote workers on a full-time, part-time, and freelance basis. If you've always wanted to make money with an online job that does not require you to leave your house, there's never been a better time to get started than right now. All you need to do is take our short survey below, which takes less than 5 minutes. Based on your answers, we will find you the perfect online job that you can start getting paid to do immediately, even if it's 2 a.m. So what are you waiting for? Take the short survey below. Let us find your perfect online job, and I'll see you on the next page in a few minutes.